more. It's your girl, Mamina. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my life. Okay, that position wasn't right. That is not me, you guys. No, that is not me. How can I be sitting like a... No, that's not me. All right, let me reposition. This way. No. All right. Okay. Hello, beautiful people. How you all doing? Glad to come your way once more. If it is your first time coming across my face, I am Mamina Vlogs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my life. I am a Nigerian living here in Germany. I vlog from Germany. I bring you content from Germany. I'm a mother of two. I make contents like a lifestyle. I vlog about my life, about my children, about my surroundings, and about things going around me. Okay, I like traveling a lot, but unfortunately, this pandemic has locked us down, so we couldn't travel that much. But yeah, to the glory of God, I'm so happy that I had some other footages, good memories about our trip to Italy rather. So I made a lot of those footages, and I want to thank you all, my subscribers, all my new subscribers. I gained so many of you lately. Thank you so much. I think you guys really like this trip to Italy because I got so many new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my life. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. All my oldies, thank you so much. Thank you for always watching my videos. Without you guys, there is no sense for me to make content. Why should I make videos? Why should I make content without you? You are the reason. You are the sense of me. Like each time I stay in front of the camera, I'm feeling excited. You know, I feel excited to stay in front of the camera to film because of you guys. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. All right, thank you for the Italy trip that you all watch. If you've not watched those videos, please just jump into my channel videos, and you will see a lot of good memories from Italy. And that is also a way I showcased you guys get to know me better, because this sit down, talk, package, makeup and dress, you don't really see so much. Okay, so that's a way of bringing myself to you, real and raw, my real self. Those are my real self, and I was not ashamed to bring them to you. Hopefully you've learned or you've got something between those clips to understand me better. All right, thank you so much for watching those videos. In this video, let's hit straight into this video. Happy Sunday, guys. Woo! Happy Sunday to you. How you all doing? How did you go to church? My church will open on the 20th of June. Okay, so we still have like 2 Sundays ahead. Is it 2 Sundays, 3 Sundays? Oh, Mamina lost count. Whatever. So we still have some Sundays ahead. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and happy Sunday to you. And yeah, this video, unfortunately, is not gonna be something that will make most of you happy. Most of my new subscribers liked my name. This is definitely a video that I want to change my name. Okay, this is a video I want to change. This video is gonna be about my brand. Okay, I have a brand. I have an established brand already, which is Shameless Mamina. Yes, and I've been on YouTube for quite some time, which I've been consistent. Let's say a year plus now, and I've been monetized for a year. Okay, and I have been so happy with my name. I've been so happy. I don't feel good to change the name, but circumstances are pulling me to change this name. Guys, in this video, we're going to be exploring a lot together, and I hope that this video is going to also help you make some research, okay, about your name as well on the internet, on Google, Big Brother Google. Okay, I think after this video, you watch this video, check it out, type your name, type your brand's name, and see how manipulated things are going. All right, so not further ado, I want to tell you straight ahead, I am changing my name. We are changing our name. Our brand name from our social media, YouTube brand name is changing. We're changing name from Shameless Mamina to Mamina Vlogs. Okay, we're changing name from Shameless Mamina to Mamina Vlogs. Let's just check. Come, let's screw together and see how what I'm talking about. Look at this site now, taking my videos and different things. By the way, let me not talk too much. Let's see. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, take a close look. I hope after this video you can also check it out yourself and give you the reasons. Okay, I for some time I searched my name myself on Google. What I find a lot of other websites that uses my name, you know. I don't know, they hashtag me even to my Instagram, also to my Facebook handles. They hashtag me and they place it on their own website. Okay, so when you click, if you're just searching for Shameless Mamina and you just mistakenly click one of those websites, many of them just say different things, okay? But what motivated me, like what eagered me to like change this, to remove the shameless, which I love so much. I love to be shameless. I love to be shameless, guys. But that is not taking my Mamina, you know. I'm always your girl, Mamina. Okay? I'm always your girl, Mamina. So I'm only gonna remove the shameless. I love that shameless so much because that shameless motivated me to be on YouTube, to be on social media, to talk to the camera. That shameless. Just wanna be shameless. I don't know. I just want to be shameless, but the people of the world don't want me to be shameless. On the internet, I find out that the word shameless, okay, they manipulated it in a way that it went. It is in a different site. This particular one, I might not show it to you guys, but let me just tell you. My name, Shameless Mamina, YouTube, Instagram, and all that, was found in different channels, different websites, but one particular one got me very angry. I am a mommy vlogger, you know. I am I don't know. I'm a mom. So I vlog about also children, and other mothers also like to watch, just like I like to watch other mommies with their children. Okay? So at this point in time, how pleasant will it sound, or how pleasant will it be? Like you as a mom, you just search my name and coincidentally you just clicked one of those sites and you find something not really pleasing. Please YouTube, please Google. I don't know if you guys can do anything about this. There were also a cream. Each of my videos depends on the storyline. They have different version of it. The same video but a different site with different titles and so on. I don't know how to explain it. Guys, let me just show you guys. But I'm not going to be showing you the pornographic one. Hopefully we're not going to click on any of that. But let's start clicking and see because it's pretty long. And when you finish watching this, check out your own channel. Check out your friend's channel, your sister and so. And you're going to discover this. If you've not discovered this before and this is the first time, please leave me in the comment section that this is an eye-opener for you. That this video have been helpful to you. Okay, I personally, I tell you, I don't own any website. I haven't opened any website yet. I don't even know how to create a website. I have nothing about website yet, but I don't know why my name have been all over the internet with different websites. I for myself don't own any website. So this specific website had pornography. Let's just check. Come, let's screw together and see how what I'm talking about. Look at this site now, taking my videos and different things. By the way, just let me not talk too much. Let's see. Let me show you what I'm talking about, okay? Take a close look. I hope after this video you can also check it out yourself. Okay guys, now you understand exactly why I needed to change my name. I'm not really sure about changing, removing shameless, if it's going to change anything. That is not what I know it's not going to change a lot, but because of that particular pornographic stuff that added to my name, that's the main reason I'm changing. Okay, not changing, I'm removing shameless from the name. But anyways, you saw a lot of those things. If this video have been helpful to you, if you make researches and you find anything else, please come back in the comment section and let's interact. Okay, a black community, we don't talk. This is one of the problems we are facing. We say we are small YouTubers, we're not making it, we are not, because we don't talk. By the grace of God, I'll be showing you guys more of my channel, the internal part of my channel, what's happening. Because if you don't talk, this don't talk, that don't talk, we're gonna be under the carpet, okay? And I'm ready to speak about some things. So this is the video. This video for a change of name on my brand. So welcome to Mamina Vlogs. I will try to see how to upload more. Mamina, don't even say this upload. Mamina does not upload video regularly. Okay, we are still on Sunday basis. I'm just trying out uploading once a week, how it turns out. But I don't know, it doesn't really change anything. When I upload every day, I upload once a week. It does not change anything. I'll tell you guys why. The reason why I'm saying this. Okay. Nevertheless, thank you so much and welcome to my life, Mamina Vlogs. Okay. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful Sunday evening. And yeah, take care. Stay safe. Stay out of trouble. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye. See ya. Ciao.